Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we're uncovering Bolzano, Italy, a city where Italian charm meets Austrian efficiency, nestled in the heart of the Dolomites. This place is a treasure chest of history, art, and jaw-dropping scenery. We'll explore everything from ancient mummies to castles, vibrant markets, and riverside walks. 18 must-see spots that will make you say, "Wow," and maybe even, "Mamma mia." Ready? Let's dive into Bolzano's magic. Our journey starts in Piazza Walther, Bolzano's lively living room. Surrounded by the grand cathedral, bustling cafes, and the Dolomites as a backdrop, this square pulses with energy. In winter, it transforms into a magical Christmas market. In every season, it's the perfect spot to soak up the city's rhythm. From here, winding streets lead to new discoveries. Piazza Walther is the city's heartbeat and the perfect launchpad for our adventure. Let's see where these streets take us next. Next, we step into the South Tyrol Museum of Archaeology to meet Bolzano's most famous resident, Ötzi, the Iceman. Over 5,000 years old, Ötzi was found frozen in a glacier, perfectly preserved from the Copper Age. The museum brings his world to life, his clothes, tools, and even his last meal. There's a real-life mystery here. Ötzi was murdered, and you get to play detective. It's a profound personal connection to ancient humanity. This museum is a must-see for history lovers and curious minds alike. How often do you meet someone from the Stone Age? Just steps away stands the Bolzano Cathedral, a Gothic marvel with a dazzling patterned roof and soaring bell tower. Inside, sunlight streams through stained glass, illuminating medieval frescoes and high-vaulted ceilings. The Cycle of the Months fresco offers a rare glimpse into 14th century daily life. This cathedral is more than architecture. It's a living storybook of faith and artistry. Take a moment to feel the centuries of history in its peaceful sanctuary. Let's continue our journey through Bolzano's past. Now to Runkelstein Castle, perched above the Talvera River. It's famed for its vibrant secular frescoes. Step inside and you'll find walls alive with scenes of jousts, courtly love, and legendary tales. It's a rare, colorful window into medieval aristocratic life. Walking these halls feels like flipping through a centuries-old storybook. Runkelstein isn't just a fortress, it's a celebration of life, love, and adventure. A true medieval gem you can't miss. Need a breath of fresh air? The Talvera Promenade is Bolzano's green escape. Stroll along the river, surrounded by mountains, castles, and locals enjoying the outdoors. It's a perfect blend of city and nature, a place to slow down and feel like a local. Sometimes the best moments are the quiet ones by the water. Marecce Castle is a Renaissance beauty nestled in vineyards just outside the old town. Its elegant towers and lush grapevines create a postcard-perfect scene. The castle's transformation from fortress to stately home reflects Bolzano's deep connection to winemaking. Sip local Lagrin wine and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. A castle among the vines, pure romance. At Sigmundskron Castle, the Messner Mountain Museum explores humanity's relationship with mountains. Created by legendary climber Reinhold Messner, it's a journey through art, culture, and the spirit of adventure. The museum's design fuses ancient walls with modern steel and glass. Even if you've never climbed a mountain, you'll leave inspired by the majesty of nature. This is where passion for peaks comes alive. Via dei Portici is Bolzano's historic shopping street, lined with medieval arcades. Built in the 12th century, these arches sheltered shoppers from sun and snow. Today, it's a vibrant mix of boutiques, bakeries, and cafes. Old-world charm meets modern buzz. Each building tells its own story, while the arcades create a cozy, lively atmosphere. It's more than a street. It's the city's social and commercial soul. Take a stroll and experience Bolzano's living history. Just off the main squares, the Dominican church hides a treasure trove of art. The Chapel of St. John dazzles with 14th century frescoes from Giotto's school. Vivid, emotional, and beautifully preserved. Step into the peaceful cloister, where faded frescoes and quiet courtyards invite reflection. This is Bolzano's secret sanctuary for art lovers. Sometimes, the greatest treasures are hidden in plain sight. Time for a new perspective. Let's ride the renowned cable car. In just 12 minutes, you soar from city streets to the sunny Renon Plateau, with sweeping views of Bolzano and the Dolomites. At the top, alpine villages and endless trails await. The cable car is your ticket to a natural paradise just minutes away. Sit back and enjoy the ride. The view is unforgettable. On the Renon Plateau, discover the Earth Pyramids. Towering clay spires topped with boulders sculpted by rain and time. These natural wonders look like something from another planet. The walk to the viewing platforms is as beautiful as the pyramids themselves. It's geology in action, a quirky, unforgettable sight. Nature's creativity knows no bounds. Back in the city, the Victory Monument stands as a symbol of Bolzano's complex past. Built by Mussolini's regime, it once divided the community. Today, a museum beneath the monument tells the story of South Tyrol's turbulent history and reconciliation. It's a powerful reminder of the city's resilience and spirit. Bolzano faces its history with honesty and hope. Museion, Bolzano's modern art museum, is a striking glass cube bridging old and new. Inside, ever-changing exhibitions challenge and inspire, focusing on contemporary art and language. The building itself becomes art at night, glowing over the river. Museion proves Bolzano isn't stuck in the past. It's a city alive with creativity. Step inside for a fresh perspective. Piazza delle Erbe is Bolzano's bustling market square, overflowing with fresh produce, flowers, and local delicacies. Sample cheeses, breads, and the famous speck as you wander among colorful stalls. The Neptune Fountain watches over centuries of lively trade. This is the heart of Bolzano's culinary scene, vibrant, authentic, and delicious. Don't leave without tasting something new. Castel Roncolo, Runkelstein, deserves a second look for its breathtaking views and intimate frescoes. Climb up for panoramic vistas of Bolzano and the Talvera Gorge. Inside, the private art of the Winkler family reveals medieval dreams and daily life. It's like reading a diary painted on stone. This castle is an intimate portrait of a vanished world. The Funivia del Colle is the world's oldest passenger cable car, whisking you up to the peaceful hamlet of Colle. The ride offers stunning views and a sense of discovery. At the top, forests and meadows invite you to relax and recharge. It's a journey through history and nature, pure Bolzano magic. Sometimes, the best escapes are just a cable car away. The South Tyrol Museum of Natural History reveals the region's geological wonders and diverse habitats. Interactive exhibits bring the Dolomites' ancient origins to life. Walk through recreated environments and marvel at fossils and crystals. It's a fun, hands-on way to understand the landscapes you've explored. Nature and science come together in this fascinating museum. Our final stop is St. Augustine Church, a Baroque masterpiece in the Greece district. Step inside to find dazzling frescoes, golden altars, and theatrical beauty. The church is part of the Muri Greece Monastery, also home to a renowned winery. Here, spiritual and artistic richness blend with the pleasures of wine. A perfect uplifting finale to our Bolzano journey. That's a wrap on Bolzano's must-see wonders, from ancient icemen to castles, markets, and mountain views. This city is a blend of cultures, flavors, and stories that will steal your heart. I hope you're inspired to explore Bolzano for yourself. Wonder, taste, and soak in its magic. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious for our next adventure. Until next time, ciao from Bolzano.